Since joining JCU, I have been teaching a subject titled Social Work and Mental Health. This subject sets the foundations for students' future social work practice and has great potential for making a huge difference in the lives of clients and their families. An important topic we cover in this subject is strengths-based perspectives. My approach to teaching has been influenced by my own research that is centered on critical inquiry. As such, my approach to teaching Research Nexus is to ensure a research-led approach to curriculum design. Social workers often apply a strengths-based perspective in social work practice, but they are often confronted with practice issues and challenges in the application of such concepts. Some of them are: what do social workers do in mental health? How do they apply strengths-based principles? Can one adopt a strengths perspective when the context itself is about diagnosis and labels? This led me to this authentic inquiry to find an answer from the field. To ensure my initial research was robust and tested across a range of audience, I launched an international consortium on strengths-based practice in mental health in collaboration with Brisbane Institute of Strengths-Based Practice in Nepal in 2012. This work with colleagues from various parts of the world have been compiled and published in 2014 as an edited book titled Advancing Social Work in Mental Health Through Strengths-Based Practice. This book is a celebration of diversity, strengths, and practitioners' and researchers' contribution to the field of mental health. This research showcases the relevance and reusefulness of strengths-based practice in mental health field to educate and challenge the ways in which services are designed and provided in mental health care. This book is now being applied in our teaching and practice to provide research-rich teaching materials for students and practitioners. I have developed a range of resources that challenge students to engage in critical inquiry and to refocus of their work. This requires students and practitioners to identify the strengths rather than the deficits in the clients. It provides a set of new lens to look at the issues and realities. This research demonstrates the relevance of research-led approach and how it is used as a teaching tool, not only in providing students with contemporary ideas, but inspires them to develop an aptitude for research that can enhance their practice in future. This will facilitate students' development into effective practitioners in the field. I believe this approach is paving way for transformational learning that promotes greater student engagement and enhances student experience in this subject.